how to install VS Code in Windows 11. So first thing what you need to do is go to Google and type Visual Studio Code download. This will give you the first link as code.visualstudio.com. Just click on it. So you have options to download Mac, Linux and Windows version. For Windows you have x64 version as well as ARM version. x64 version is for Intel and AMD machines, and ARM64 version is for Snapdragon etc. ARM machines. And you can download as a user installer, as a system installer, you can download as a zip file, or you only need the CLI interface. Depending on that, I want to download as a system installer. So I click on the second link and this will download VS Code setup x64 and the version is 1.95.3. So I click on save and this is being downloaded. After the download is complete, open the folder where the file is stored. In my case it's in download. Mostly in your case also it will be in download folder. So go and double click on VS Code setup and this will start the setup process of your VS Code. This is an agreement, you need to accept to the agreement and click on next. This is telling you the location. I am installing by default in the default location, which is in C drive program files. If you want to change it, you can change it. Let's say if you want to go for a different drive, you can go for different drive. But by default it's in C drive program files. This is the name. I don't want to change. I don't want to create a desktop icon. I don't want to add this. I don't want to add this. So make sure you keep this add to path, because when you do a shell restart, if VS Code is not in your path, Windows may not be able to find it. So you have to go into start menu and from there you have to find it and start it. So make sure the last option is checked. To next, and now we start the installation. That is it. To see whether it get installed properly, you just click here and here you type Visual and you should be able to see Visual Studio Code app. You can just click on that app and it will start Visual Studio for you. From here, how to use Visual Studio, what are the basic things you should know about Visual Studio. I have created a video on that. You will get the video link in the description. Thank you. Bye-bye.